Hello, good afternoon and welcome to Mixed Plant. Ayan. By the way, my name is Chef Mads Melendres. Ayan. I've been with this business for F&B for 15 years and more. Ayan. Kaya naman nandito ako together with Miss Ma'am Shawi of Mixed Plant who will explain about Mixed Plant. Ayan.
Okay, thank you so much for being here at the Walmex Manila 2025.
Right.
Okay, so Mixed Plant Inc. Established 1989, we're already 36 years in the business.
Right.
Yes, and we're a food manufacturing company focusing more on the bakery services, liquid blends, and other bakery-related products.
Yes. Ayan.
Most of the clients, of course, is a business to business.
Correct.
And, of course, we also have this customization.
Nice. Ayan. So, yung mga biggest company would love to have, syempre, yung kanilang mga sariling, kumbaga, yung kanilang signature, pwede nilang ipa-customize. Tama ba ako?
Very specific for them and designed
Right,
for them.
right. Ayan. By the way, ma'am, may nabalitaan kasi ako na bagong product natin. Ayan. So, I'm very excited with our new product. We will be announcing our product, which is, ayan, yung napapanahon ngayon kasi lahat ngayon ay into healthy living. Kaya naman, ma'am, ano po ba itong ating new product?
We have the plant-based kasi ngayon super healthy, health conscious na ang
Right.
mga natin, ang mga guys and even lahat.
Right.
So we're going to launch here first time in Walmex Manila, the plant-based vanilla and chocolate process dessert. And for the coffee lovers, syempre, design pa rin. So we have a coffee drink mix.
Yan. And balita ko kasi I'm a coffee lover, no. Balita ko kasi yung aming plant-based coffee mix is with oat milk. Gawa siya sa oat milk. Eh, 'di ba? Tama ba ako? Ayan. Kaya naman napaka-excited natin na ibigay ito sa ating mga manonood at syempre sa ating mga followers, ano. Ayan. So, paano?
So, well, later, we're going to have our taste test.
Yan, taste test. Yes.
Having a plant-based, okay, may enjoy natin yung taste at the same time feel free.
Yes. How easy to prepare everything.
How about
Well,
ano yung malalakas nila natin?
Well, actually ako, personally, I really love kasi we're in a business of consistent, no? Well, regarding sa consistency, syempre, number one dyan is our, syempre, yung aking company which is Mixed Plant. Ang ginagamit ko dito, yung mga premixes nila. Especially yung waffle natin, just add water and everything will go, and here's the picture, no? Hindi na natin kailangan ng kung ano-ano pa, no? So, syempre ngayon nowadays kasi medyo mas maganda, consistent ang lahat. So, syempre, Mixed Plant will allow us to help us in our industry. Yan. Of course, syempre, excited ako sa new product, which is ako kasi medyo healthy conscious na. 40 na ako, ma'am eh. So, kaya, syempre,
Pa ng edad.
syempre, medyo healthy conscious na and may mga existing condition na rin. So, I rather use something which is guilt-free. Yan, dyan na nga tayo nag-start, which is yung ating dessert. And then, of course, yung ating coffee.
Sabi nga yung nila, ganyan ha. Ano yung mga routine habang nila nyo? Element, ang ilong kahit na namin routine nila para ma-routine mo lahat.
Yeah, anong routine ko? Syempre, of course, number one dyan is, syempre, healthy living. Balanced diet, of course. And syempre, samahan mo na rin ng exercise. Hindi mo naman ma-maintain ang lahat ng ito kung wala kang ehersisyo. Ngayon, syempre, together with that, I start my day kasi with the coffee. So, syempre, I will use, and syempre, a guilt-free coffee, which is yun nga, yung ating plant-based coffee mix.
Ano yung malalakas?
Ayan, kasi nga kailangan every businesses may edge tayo. So ngayon kasi, pag pumunta ka ng US, pumunta ka ng other country, to be honest, makikita na doon yung mga calories on the side sa menu. So ito, definitely, sa mga business owners dyan, maganda na meron kayong kumbaga, meron kayong list or menu or choices, healthy choices sa inyong mga businesses, especially dessert and coffee. Nowadays, kasi kahit mga estudyante, no, nagkakape.
Yes, kahit ano ba.
Tapos ang Pilipino pati, hindi nawawalan yan ng dessert after a meal. So, syempre, maganda yan. Meron tayo sa mga businesses natin an option, no, to have a good and healthy and guilt-free product. Ayan.
Ano yung mga variation ng coffee?
Ang variation ng coffee natin is just, ngayon, so far, is just the base coffee, no? Pero yun nga, ang ina-emphasize ko dito, it's an oat milk. Magkano na ba ang oat milk nowadays, di ba? So, magkano yung oat milk? So, it's a guilt-free milk na pwede natin matikman.
And then the short, and then the part of the
Ay, ayun nga, ang best part doon, kahit uminom ka ng uminom, no? hindi siya nakaka-guilty, hindi nakatakihin. And it's a plant-based. Yan. So, environmental friendly, wala tayong sinaktan at hinarm na animal. Yan, wala tayong animal fats na ginamit. So, basically, those with vegan lover, plant-based is the best choice for coffee lover. Puhunan, actually. So, mga magkano?
This product kasi is introductory, but it's the cost is 380. So it's a 1 kilo pack. But then for the frozen dessert, it's ranging 280 pesos per day.
Yeah.
It depends kasi dun sa oats na gagamitin. When it comes to like everyday cafe, so is you can use cold or the
Hot one.
yes.
Yeah. It's a cold and hot variation, and this one pack can mix up with 7 liters yata or 8 liters of
2,500 grams.
yes, of water. So medyo marami ka nang magagawa in a price of magkano lang to.
380 for the cup.
Yeah, okay.
That's 1 kilo already.
Yeah, that's a 1 kilo already. Yan. I would like to invite everyone to try our new product, which is our plant-based product line. Ayan, meron tayong mga frozen dessert and also coffee. And also, syempre, meron kaming mga premix product here in Mix Plant. Ito yung mga
And we have, of course, the bestseller, the waffle mix.
The waffle mix.
We also have chocolate cake mix. Even the chocolate drink mix, masarap yun.
Yeah.
Super. And then we also have the cookies, like oatmeal cookies and butterscotch, fudgy brownies. We have lots of products that is already available in e-commerce, Shopee and Lazada.
yan.
Online.
Oo.
Yes, we do online. Yeah, online.
No.
And factory outlet in Quezon City.
Iyon, may factory outlet. What's the address of the factory outlet?
Online.
Online.
Yes, online. Yes.
Ma'am, last question would be, for other promos, inquiries, details, where they can check website.
Yes, we have website, that's www.mixplant.com.ph. And we also have Facebook. And Instagram also. Yeah, okay. For Facebook, it's mixplant.com. Yes.